Hi, I'm Angela. Glad you can join me again, and we're weaving with a natural product, something close to my heart. I've got to smell it because it smells so beautiful. This is Phormium tenax. That's a botanical name, otherwise known as New Zealand flax or flax. And I've been blessed because it grows in the Blacktown Art Centre's garden. So I kind of went and pinched a couple of pieces just to work with today and show you what can be done with a plant. It has this waxy coat on it, one side shiny and one side's dull. If I had to strip this back, there's a lot of fibre. There's a lot of these fibres, and from this you can make clothing, you can make ropes, you can do so much. So this excites me. Is create a flower. I'm going to go behind, and as I'm moving it behind, I'm turning this part in. So I'm always going behind, again, everything, just keep going behind and turning it in your hand. And a flower forms. I don't mind it if it looks like that, because you're going to. Let me just take this off here for you. There we go. We're going to turn the stalk like that. We're just going to go behind. Turn the flower in your hand. Can you see? Oh, I've got it like that. I'm going to turn like that. And again, behind. You can maybe try this in a stiffened card, something that's got a little bit of you know, a little bit of flexibility to it. But it would not work successfully. You could do it in ribbon, but you need something that's going to hold its form and shape. Now, depending on how you hold it in your hand, it can give you a variety of numbers of the same flower, but like one that's really closed, like a rose. What I'm doing here is splitting the flax, and I'm going to take two over the side, put that one down there. I'm putting pressure up to hold my flower together until I wrap this around. And I tie it there. See, you can see how hard I'm pulling it. I don't know if you can see the pressure on my knuckles, but it's really, I'm really pulling it tight and it's not breaking. That is the beauty of New Zealand flax. For me, I like things to be a bit tidy when I'm working with my flax. Tie that off down there. And we push it all up. So it looks like that. A rose. So that's our flower, a little flower we did. It was just a matter of turning behind. So I have used this in a number of my work, and I love this. And I started using it for everything that I created to tag my work. Kind of my signature. It's really pretty and simple for me. And I hope for you as well. Now, I'd love to see your creations. So if you could create something from flax or ribbon, up to you, same process. Tag Blacktown Art Centre on Instagram or Facebook, and let's see what beautiful things you create.